Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In today's video here on May 17th, 2022, we're trading the ES in these videos. And these are today's trades, what we did with the Trading123 AutoTrader. As you see here, we're trading 3 contracts, stop at 28, goal 1,000, loss of 600. We have a little more higher stop due to the volatility. And if you're trading with something like a 10 or 12 tick stop in the ES, you're not going to last long before you're broke. You got to give it room to move. Like these little pullbacks here, and up it goes. You would have been stopped out. So that's the market goes through cycles. I've been trading now for well over 24 years. So I just didn't get lucky. I know how to trade. Been doing it for 24 years. When you first start, you think you know everything, but you don't. There's a lot to learn, believe me. As I always say, trading takes time and patience and discipline. And once you learn it, you're set for life. So here I am 24 years later, going to be 60 years old in about 5 months. So I've been there, done everything. So basically, the AutoTrader here got long on a trend change, 3 contracts, went up here. It was just going sideways, so we used the button to get the hell out of the trade. Didn't like the way it was going, even though our stop was right here. But just hit the close button and exited. Then I got short and it sold off and hit our goal. And you notice one thing with the ES on we basically wait for the market to open the first 15-20 minutes. And then, on the ES, I like to trade it after 10. Because that's when it gets in its trends. The first 15-25 minutes of the open are basically in the ES is adjustments, overnight orders, sideways action, news action. So here we go, we hit our first profit goal. We had a whole trade that took about 20 minutes or so. And here is the strategy performance for the trade. 988.02 is what we made. Commission of $24. 6 trades, 3 longs, 3 shorts. Largest winner in 345. Potential profit on a 30-day basis, 30,000. That's pretty good. Trading 3 contracts. I don't need to trade 5 or 10. Putting more risk on. 3 works for me, and very rarely do I trade more than 3 contracts. So those of you that think, oh, you're starting out going to trade 5 contracts in sim, well, it's a different story when you get to live trading. Your profit and loss will spin around like a speedometer going 160 miles an hour, and you won't be able to handle it. So you're better off starting small and staying in it for the long haul, like me, 20 plus years trading. And here's a trade I did yesterday on the ES, May 16th. Basically same thing. We wait till after 10 here. I waited till 10:30, started the AutoTrader, caught a long to the upside, and as you see here, my hit its first profit target, and after the first profit target hits, then my trail stop kicks in. This is a trading tip that will help you from preventing you from being stopped out on some silly sideways moves. So the trail stop doesn't kick in until after the first profit target, which I think is 12 ticks, which it is. We hit our second one, and then our stop gets out. Trail stop takes us out on the third contract. So second profit target got a nice profit. And then we get into some sideways action. And our trend filter here keeps us out of this trade here on the short side because the trend was up. But here the market goes down and the trend changes, so it's down, so it takes a short, sells off, and hits our goal. And here's the strategy performance. Total net profit 963. 6 trades, 3 longs, 3 short, 100% winners. Largest winner 270. And like I said in the previous video, I got a new monitor, so I didn't have this displaying the full screen. But as you see today, I corrected it. So regardless, basically would have been the same potential profit as the first profit potential showed, but it was a live trade. So with our first trade of the day, it hit in the ES. We basically were really not looking to trade the rest of the day. And we come back in the afternoon here right around 2:30. See that the market was about ready to sell off. So 2:30 time frame is a good time to trade. Anytime after 2. So we start the auto trader right here. It gets short and sells off, hits our first profit target. 12 ticks down or 3 points, and then our second and third basically sells off with the price action here. As you see, our trail stop kicks in, following it nicely, and we get out with our max gain of 987.76. There's a time in sales to show, and then the market reversed right here after that sell-off, but we got our profit, and that was our last trade of the day on the ES. So here is the strategy performance. Total net profit 987, commission 12 bucks. Only made 3 trades on that short. Average trade was 329. The largest winning one was 420 on our runner. So it pays to have a runner. And that's how we designed the software, because a lot of software out there will use an ATR or some BS like that I don't like. And with a runner, you can capture like 90% of the move. And that's exactly what happened here. And then the potential profits on a monthly basis, over 30K. So, see, here's the trade, and our runner on the third contract catches pretty much the full trend down. So that's how it's done with Trading123 AutoTrader here on May 17th, 2022, trading the ES. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube for more trading tips, and like us on social media, Twitter and Facebook. And thanks for watching today's video of the Trading123 AutoTrader.